Capture the flag.
I'm going knife, or pistol only.
Capture the objectives.
I'll listen to some music while I play.
He's out.
You can listen to it with me.
I can listen to my
Going
own.
old school.
On your feet.
Our flag has been taken. Enemy flag acquired.
Going up.
You know how annoying that is.
You don't know what this is?
It's still really annoying. 'Cause I can't understand any
You
of
don't
it.
know this song. Everyone knows this song.
I mean, yeah, I know it, but it's horrible sound quality, so it's just annoying. Like, I can listen to my music without you hearing it. That kid's got a sniper, dude. I need help. He's in junkyard.
Yo, he's in a laundry room. Watch it.
So close to shrieks. Can you please turn that off, dude? That really is annoying.
I like that.
Now move.
Yo, watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. He's going upstairs.
Hellstorm missile on standby.
Nemesis 1-1 in from south. 8 seconds.
Friendly lightning strike inbound.
2 confirmed.
Wait.
Can I get that return, please?
Our flag is back at base.
That dude would have killed you. That I just killed.
We have captured the
I was
enemy
gonna
flag.
dive in, so he wouldn't have had a chance. Pistol only, by the way.
Hostiles have taken our flag.
I'm doing this good.
Our flag has been dropped.
Showed you how overpowered
Our flag
pistols
is
are in this
secure.
game.
Hostiles have taken our flag.
You got him?
Confirmed.
Yeah, I got the guy in blue.
They
Oh,
dropped
dude,
our
I
flag.
keep forgetting knives in this game don't work.
Our flag has been taken.
Shit.
Friendly
Gonna hide in
Hellstorm
coffee.
missile inbound. Hostile flag carrier is down.
There's one more in double D's, I can get it. I can get
Our
him.
flag has been taken. Enemy flag acquired.
Shooter down.
They're all in double D.
Our flag has been dropped.
Alright, we got the return now, that's all that
Our
matters.
flag is back at
That's
base.
3 dead, this kid can go. I have graveyard cut, nothing. He's in garage,
We have captured the enemy flag.
Back alley.
On your feet.
Oh my god.
We have the enemy flag.
Got a kill.
Hostiles have taken our
Dude, I
flag.
like this team.
Hostile flag carrier is down.
I'm 14 and 2 pistol
Our
only.
flag has been returned.
Sticky going out.
Pistol and Semtex open. Yeah, no. The team I just
captured the
faced though,
enemy
the one
flag.
when I wasn't in the party, I was using pistol only, so I got annoyed.
Gun down. Stand by.
And what?
I got annoyed, so I made a class.
Got a combat.
Hellstorm missile.
I'm getting
awaiting
streaks
orders.
off of this, dude.
They're
This is-
running around with this.
I got full. I almost got full streaks again. I got a Hellstorm Lightning. I'm like I'm like the #1 hated person right now.
Enemy. He's out.
Hostiles have taken our flag.
Sticky out.
God damn it, they're pulling.
Enemy
A lot of
flag
people too.
acquired.
Shut out.
Our
Got
flag
it.
is back at base.
Sticky
Need to
out.
Be
use
advised,
streaks.
hostiles have returned their
Overlap.
flag.
Oh, I didn't realize that there is a roof there.
Stitched him up.
We have the enemy flag.
Gun down.
Oh, I gotta use streaks again. I'm about to overlap.
Nemesis 1-1 is wheeled up over your
Mission
position.
clock about to expire. Friendly lightning strike inbound.
2 EKIA.
Contact.
I got streaks again.
Lightning strike awaiting coordinates.
I just pulled a cap. These kids are garbage, dude.
I was
You
spawn
should really
jumping.
be recording this.
Yeah, I am. I can go back and record it. I will. Pistol only. Oh, I'm gonna keep playing though. See if I can get any more kills before the game's over.
This was only the first round.
Good job, Grunts.
know.
Get ready for the next round.
I gotta go back. I was just renaming the I got more kills than
Halftime.
13, 18, 24.
Capture the
I have more kills
flag.
than all their team combined, and I'm just using a pistol. God.
Capture the objective.
Awesome.
Friendly
And I got
RCXD
streaks again.
Inbound.
Sticky going
Oh
out.
man, grenades aren't active yet. Oh, I stuck him too. I stuck him with an inactive grenade. It's amazing. Oh, and he stole my kill. Oh,
Red and blue.
oh,
Transitioning.
dude, I can't hit those long range shots like that.
Hostiles have taken our flag.
Oh, he's in
Enemy
blue.
flag.
Oh, that kid just got destroyed. I'm trying to look at my scoreboard for some reason. I got prone
You are
block.
done.
Hold on, I'm chasing this kid.
Sticky
I
going
don't
out.
want to use streak because he's next to garage.
Shit, dude, I'm about to die.
Reloading. Moving weapon.
They dropped our flag. Our flag is secure.
Hold on, I'll streak that guy. Give me a sec. He's double D's. They're all coming through. They're all there. They're all there.
Coordinates received inbound.
Oh my god.
Our flag carrier is down.
Last guy's in blue. Last guy's
Flag
in
carrier
blue.
is down.
If he kills that kid. Alright, we got a cap. I wonder if I can drop 50 kills.
Sticky out.
It's mine, you faggot.
Our flag
Double
is
D.
That should have been mine.
Got a kill.
We've taken
Disrespectful.
the lead.
Yo, he's our spawn.
Bricks,
Captured
bricks,
the enemy
bricks.
flag.
Good play. He left the game. I'm not gonna get 50 because he left the game. What a
Our
ungrateful
flag has
person.
been taken.
Sticky out.
Watch that nade.
Dropped our
Hey!
flag.
Did you see that nade, dude? That was, I
Flag
called it.
acquired.
I
Our
don't.
flag,
I keep forgetting I can't knife in this game, honestly. That's all it is.
our flag has been taken.
Because in Ghost, a knife hits every
Drop their
time. Like, if
flag.
you knife, you're getting them. Unless you're like a mile away.
Hostile flag returned.
But if you should knife the kid,
We have the enemy flag.
you're gonna get that kill. When I spawn up, I'll use my streaks.
Bet you in about 10 games from now, everyone's gonna be using Cap 40s. Just because, like.
Shooter.
Drop their flag.
I need to get to use my kill streaks. That's how fast that kid used it.
We have the enemy flag.
If you kill that kid, I'm using streaks. Alright. Oh, he's in
Friendly
laundry.
hostile missile inbound.
Last one alive is with flag and it's in laundry. I picked up. I have 2 Cat 40s now. I picked up another one. Got him weak with an
Flag
aid,
carrier
yeah.
is down. Our flag has been taken.
No, man!
Hostile flag returned.
How did I lose? Listen, dude, I have the worst luck with lag spikes. I kid you
Our
not.
flag is
Every
secure.
single gun battle that I ever have in this game, I get a lag spike. I don't know why.
Drop their
Oh, he's
flag.
one shot gone to return our flag.
Be advised, hostiles have returned their flag.
Dude, you're gay.
Hostiles have taken our flag. Our flag has been returned.
Why are you waiting there?
We've captured the enemy
He's
flag.
just sitting there pre-aimed in blue, not even trying to stop the flag. Like, what are you doing?
We're winning this fight.
These kids are so bad, dude.
I know. I'm gonna drop 40 kills with a pistol. Aw, you just stole my kill.
Dude, I spread an entire clip now.
Enemy flag acquired.
I'm about to run around with it.
That's another kill.
Look at the kill feed, dude. It's all pistols.
Dropping off
And it's a freaking scorpion, of course.
Our flag carrier is down. Check your timeline. Hostile flag returned.
I'm not even gonna get a cap. Yo, I really just want 40 kills, like, that's all I want.
Hellstorm missile inbound.
Well, that's 3 dead. See if I can get him. I'm gonna look
Enemy
away.
flag acquired.
Come over here. You should have spawned here.
Lightning strike coordinates received inbound.
Oh, dude, I was so close to 40. Alright, well, I'm gonna upload that gameplay.
Big win, job done.
You gotta like go back and like record your voiceover and make them commentaries for it to be anything to
I have a
watch.
live comm on. I have live comm on.